Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, amazing, outstanding and most beautiful Christmas and amazing different jute burlap craft ideas. So one by one, latest and amazing and stylish burlap craft ideas. You can watch this video. It's a very beautiful, unique and outstanding collection and most beautiful, latest and demanding ideas. Because jute and burlap crafts are very beautiful and natural material, and these crafts give a warm and rustic look to our homes. When we use jute, we feel close to nature. It reminds us that simple things can also be very attractive. And jute is an eco-friendly material. Using jute craft is a good habit because it helps protect our environment. We should always try to use natural materials instead of plastic to save our planet. And burlap crafts are perfect for home decoration. You can make wall hangings, flower pots, baskets, and table decor. These handmade items make the home look cozy and full of love. When you create something with your own hands, it brings peace to your heart. Jute crafts teach us patience and creativity. Slow work gives the best result, and jute craft and jute rope crafts are strong and long lasting. With little effort, you can make amazing designs, and never think handmade items are small, they carry big value. And burlap craft ideas are best for beginners. You don't need expensive tools, simple scissors, glue, and jute rope are enough to start your creativity journey. These crafts are also perfect for gifting, and a handmade gift shows care and respect. Always remember, love in handmade gifts is more precious than money. And jute bottle decoration is very popular idea. Old bottles can become beautiful showpieces. This teaches us that waste items can turn into wonderful things. And recycling through jute craft is a great habit. It saves money and reduces waste. We should teach our children to reuse items. Creativity. Burlap crafts give a farmhouse and vintage look. They are simple but classy. Sometimes simplicity is the real beauty. Jute wall art looks amazing living rooms. It creates a calm and peaceful vibe. A peaceful home creates a peaceful mind. Making jute baskets helps organize things neatly. Clean and organized spaces brings positivity into your lives. Jute crafts are also good for business. And jute crafts are also good for business. You can sell handmade items online in local markets. Hard work always brings success. While making crafts, take your time, and rushing can spoil creativity. Good things can time to grow. Burlap table runners and mats make dining more beautiful. Small decorations make big differences in home styling. And jute flower vases look very elegant. Natural flowers with natural materials look perfect together. Nature always matches with nature. Crafting is also a stress reliever. When your handmade are busy, your mind becomes relaxed. Creative work heals the soul. Jute lampshades give soft and warm light. Soft light brings comfort and relaxation after a long day. Burlap crafts are perfect for seasonal decor like Christmas, Eid, or wedding. Handmade decor makes event more special. Teaching kids jute craft helps improve their skills. It keeps them away from screen and teaches useful hobbies. Jute photo frames preserve memories. Beautiful memories are priceless, so they deserve beautiful frames. Always choose good quality jute. Strong material gives better result. Quality work shows your dedication. Burlap crafts also support local framers and workers, and buying jute rope products helps many families earn a living. Jute crafts are timeless. They never go out of style. Classic things always stay beautiful. Making crafts with family builds strong bonds. Together, time is more valuable than anything. Burlap wreaths are perfect for doors. A beautiful entrance creates a good first impression. Use soft colors with jute for a calm look. Loud colors are not always needed. Crafting teaches self confidence. When you see your finished work, you feel proud. Jute craft shows respect for nature. Nature gives us everything, so we must protect it. Handmade decor brings warmth to any space. It feels more personal and loving. These ideas is very creative and very useful. And if you want to see other ideas, so you can visit in my channel. And please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my videos. Handmade craft teaches gratitude. We learn to appreciate effort and time behind every creation. Jute crafts are budget friendly. You can decorate your home without spending too much money. Smart choice, save money. Burlap decor gives a natural fragrance and earthy feel. It makes the home feel fresh and welcoming. Try new designs and patterns. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Jute coasters and trays are useful and stylish. Beauty with purpose is the best combination. Crafting improves focus and concentrations. It teaches to work calmly and carefully. Burlap crafts look great in cafes and shops. Natural decor attracts people easily. You can mix jute with lace, beads, or wood. Mixing materials create unique designs. Always keep your workspace clean. A clean space helps create clean ideas.